Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add glitch sound effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my CapCut application and my computer, and as you can see I have created a project. Then I'm going to add glitch sound effect to this project. First of all guys, we can go to the audio menu, and here we're going to choose sound effect, and I'm going to go to the trending. Then I'm going to search for glitch sound effect, and there will be a lot of sound effects for our editing, and then you can download the effect first. So make sure you have good internet connection to download the sound effect. Okay, try this one. You can choose this sound effect which is suitable for your editing. I think I'm gonna go with this one, guys. I'm going to click on this plus icon to add the sound to my track. Okay, and then I'm going to play it to show you. Wait, I'm going to increase the volume. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add the glitch sound effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!